How to hide address on Amazon wishlist. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can hide address on Amazon wishlist. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, you want to head over to accounts and list option. Now click on the shopping list option over here. If you do not have a list, click on create a list and you can simply create a shopping list from here. Now, once you get here, you can add more items over here or invite people as well. Now, you want to head over to the more option over here, then click on manage list. Now, you can change your list name from here. You can also change the privacy setting. If you want your list to be private, click on private. Otherwise, you can also click on the public option over here. Now scroll down. If you have not added your shipping address, you can enter it over here. Now, if you do not want the address to be visible, all you want to do is uncheck this box that says share my shipping address with sellers. So if you want to hide your address on Amazon wishlist, simply make sure that you do not check this box that says share my shipping address. Then you want to click on the save changes option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, your address will be successfully hidden on Amazon wishlist. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.